Safety is not a privilege for women, it is a basic human right that everyone deserves. Every woman deserves to walk freely, live fearlessly, and feel safe wherever she goes. From public streets to professional workplaces, many women continue to experience fear, harassment, and insecurity in daily life. Staying alert and sharing your live location with trusted family or friends can help keep you safe in dangerous situations. Emergency helplines, trusted safety apps, and self-protection tools can provide immediate support and help women stay safer during dangerous situations. Self-defense training builds confidence, awareness, and the strength to respond fearlessly. Creating awareness today can protect and empower generations of women tomorrow. A truly better world begins when every woman can live freely, smile confidently, follow her dreams, and walk without fear in any part of society. Women's safety begins with awareness, respect, responsibility, and the courage to stand together.